Hey, hello, good morning, salute. George, Carol, Nasa. Good morning, guys. We are here to having a coffee together. Mhm. Everyone grab a coffee. Morning, Nasa. Slovenia, Montenegro, Spain, India. Good morning, guys. Greece, South Africa. Kadir, Turkey. Good morning. So, how is everyone? How is everyone doing? Hmm? Sunday. How is everyone spending the Sunday? Huh? Hey, good morning. So many countries here. Too hot in here. Here is kind of cold. I mean, it's like max like 20 degrees. It's not that hot in England. good morning, guys. So many people here. You know what I did last days? I did actually a very good business. Yeah, I make some money. I mean, I'm not sure if I made some money, but let me show you. Yeah, you see this board? This is a capture board. You know how much this board costs as new? Huh? You have no idea, right? Okay, let me see if I can show you. Let me see if I can show you. I think I can. Aja Kona HDMI. Yeah, I found it. I found it. Yeah. So check here. Check here. Screen capture. Check here. 1,649. You can believe that? That's the price of this board. Huh? I mean, insane, right? Insane. Insane expensive. You know how much I pay for this one? I got it on eBay on auction. I mean, there was no one there to bid, so yeah. Let me show you 1 second. How can I show you 1 second? I think I can show you. Yeah, yeah, I can show you. No details here. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So check here. 195 pound. You can believe that? Huh? 193 actually. Like, insanely cheap. I mean, instantly I made like £1,000 for this board, right? I tested. It's working fine. No problem with the board. It's a little bit overkill for what I'm doing, but was a good deal. You see, you can find like good deals on eBay. Actually, like a rare item. This is a rare one. How many people you think you'll pay like 1,600 for a board, for a capture card? I mean, the future of this card is about, it's you can capture like HDR content, like 4K 60 FPS, like multiple inputs on the same time. Yeah, not many people it will bid for something like that. It was a good, good. You know who told me? How he's called? Paul Daniel. Yeah, he told me about. He has this card, and he told me about this card. Yeah. Why this is too expensive? It is because on the same time you can have 4 inputs. 2 are 4K, true 4K, yeah, not UHD, yeah, 60 FPS, and 2K, max 2K, and you can have 4 streams on the same time, yeah. So it's not about okay, I'm switching from one to the other. No, on the same time I can have 4 inputs on the screen. Yeah, that's why, and also the HDR. HDR is, you will not find many cards supporting HDR, like in 4K 60 FPS. And also, this is a hardware encoder. Yeah, hardware encoder. You will not find many cards. From what I seen till now, I know the Aja, this company, and the Blackmagic, they are selling PCI Express capture cards with hardware encoder. Yeah, it's a hardware. What I have on my computer, I have like same like a board, but it's a software encoder. Actually, it will take from the computer resources to encode the input. Insane, right? Yeah. Florin, sure, you can ask about any video. It's fine. It's not a problem. Why you are not posting repairs video? I'm posting. What do you mean I'm not posting repair videos? I'm doing it. The last video was like 2 days ago. Good morning. So yeah, sometimes you can find like good deals on eBay, but only if you look for like weird specific items. If you look for an iPhone, there is no way you can get a better price for an iPhone or a graphic card. No way, you will not get a better price on a graphic card. But on like some weird thing, what you'll use it for? Right now, I have one USB capture card for the Sony camera, yeah, and then I have another internal capture card for the microscope, yeah. So I can fit the board and get rid of the, just to simplify the things. Christoph, I'm new to your channel. Love it. Yeah, just see a few more videos and you'll start hate it. I do have a lot of hate comments on the videos from the repair shop because it's hard to understand that kind of content. It's hard to understand how a computer shop actually is doing on England. Not only on England, let's say United States or any like a wealthy country. When you have a job, you expect to be paid, right? You expect to be paid. But the truth is, no one it will pay you. That's the problem. You will pay yourself. Yeah. So let's say I'm paid in England, let's say I'm paid with 15, 20 pounds per hour. Yeah. That's kind of a little bit above average, yeah, for a repair business, yeah. Now, to get like 20 per hour, you should do at least £100 per hour, right? Now, to do £100 per hour, you can't really do like, how can I say? No way to do easy cheap BIOS. No, it's not time for something like that. No, because that's a lot of wasting time searching, and no, you will not do it. That's the reason why I didn't do this kind of content before in the shop. It's long. It's long. So basically, you open a laptop, you can figure it out in 10-15 minutes. Fine. If not, close it and say you can't fix it, and you move to the next one. So that's why the old content is hard to be digested by someone, and I get a lot of weird comments. Can you explain fundamental of TV repairing? Very simple. Abdul, very simple. If you can fix the power supply, it's fine, yeah? You fix the TV. If you cannot fix the power supply, then you have a big problem. Hello from Germany. Good morning. You are working alone now? Yeah, I'm home. No longer in the shop, no. Amy from Australia. My boss trained me with the same attitude to repair as you. It's all about the money, you know what I mean? It's all about the money. You have to pay yourself and actually make money for the shop. Yeah, so yeah. It's strange. It's very strange and weird. Because the job I done it, and I got the comment. I don't want to show you the comment because, well, anyway, it was a rude comment, and I reply like how he asked me. But it was about that video where the fan was not working, and I put like 2 diodes, and yeah, it was fine. So you see, that kind of video is hard to be understood. But when a shop is making sense, on a shop in England, yeah, in England. If you say a shop in Romania, no, it will not make sense. You are way too dodgy. Or a shop in India, or a shop in Pakistan, or in Africa. It will not make sense. Yeah, you know what I mean? People that are working like few months to buy a laptop. And you can do this kind of dodgy job, but it's no point. It's no point. I mean, there you can spend like 1 day to fix that laptop, and with the money from that repair, you are fine. You are fine. But not here, not in a wealthy country, when actually, the pay is very high. Yeah, that's why some content it's okay. What we are fixing today, I have a job. I have a job from a local repair shop. So actually we can fix it today. What do you think? We do have a job. Yeah, they sent me the charger, okay. We have a nice Lenovo laptop. It is nice. No, it's not nice, right? It's Lenovo. It cannot be nice. Were you able to sort out the pixel color format issue? No, Paul. Thank you for being here. No. So with the Sony camera, which is 4K, but it's only 30 FPS, the picture is perfect on OBS, on OBS. But with the microscope camera, it is perfect on the card software, but not into OBS. So it is an issue between the the software, the driver, and the OBS. And I know I believe the issue is with the color range, but I cannot change the color range into the OBS. That's the problem. Into the input, the source input, because the OBS has a specific. Where is this? 1 second. If you go on the sources, you have a specific thing like. Oh, it's not anymore because I took the card out. Okay. Yeah. Not yet, but I send that question to the support and I'm waiting for their answer. Hello, good morning, good morning. No, don't worry, Paul. It's fine. Don't worry. I have no problem. This camera, it will be here for about this microscope camera for about few more days. Yeah, I'm waiting for the one I ordered from China. Yeah, and I will change it anyway. So clearly, I mean, with the Sony camera, it's working fine. Yeah, with this microscope camera, I have like green tint, so I will replace the camera anyway. Even if I sell the card on eBay and I'm still making money, you know what I mean? Sorry, any advice on the linear power supply? You know what? On the power supply, I will use a linear power supply, but that's me. Yeah, Paul, you know, that's the thing. We're trying to help each other, and I really thank you for your help. And yeah, if I get that camera, I will make a video. Yeah, I will make a video. But anyway, the biggest change, Paul, you are here. And anyway, the other users, the biggest change, and I didn't expect that. And I made a video which right now sounds like a bullshit. Yeah, I made a video about. You remember the one with the dynamic range of the camera, and my picture was crappy. Yeah, was always crappy. Yeah. But let me show you what I changed, and it was a massive, like a massive improvement on the quality. Of course, not on the quality what I'm seeing, on the quality what the camera is seeing. This rubbish, yeah, this one. So I replaced this one with this one, yeah, which has adjustable ring, focus ring, yeah. Was crazy. I could not believe the improvement on the picture quality compared with this rubbish. This is rubbish. Don't buy something like that. I mean, this is some FMA 050, and this I bought it from Amscope. Yeah, from Amscope. Rubbish. Yeah, rubbish. Keep in mind. So on the AliExpress you can find this one, which is a focus ring adapter. Yeah, so here you have a ring, you can adjust the focus, but it's not about that. It's like some big lens inside. Yeah, big lens, that means a lot of light goes to the camera. And I was like, but you told me, wait, you told me about this? No, you didn't tell me about the ring, right? The focus ring. Or you told me, no, you are using something like that, right? Can we program the chip with download? I'm not using the RF809, so I don't know. That's, I don't know. I never used that one. Okay, then thank you. Then thank you. Thank you, Paul, because that's the reason why I bought it. You know, I trust the opinions of different people. Actually, they play with this stuff. Anyway, let's try to fix this. This is not an nice Lenovo. We have no sticker here, so we have no idea what laptop it is. But the problem with this one, hey, it is coming on. It's working. Wait. Okay, they said it's not charging. Let's plug a charger. Let me find an adapter. Let me find an adapter. This is a Lenovo round pin. No, it's not this one. No, it's not this one. It's this one. Yeah. This one. Bogdan Nata. Good morning. Let's see. So we plug the charger, but you can't see the charger. How we can do it? Chat. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Well, let's make the chat smaller. Yeah, perfect. So plug in the charger. Let's switch to 19. A little bit of current. Plug in the charger and it's not charging. Yeah, so the charger is plugged in and it's taking no current at all. So indeed this laptop has a charging issue. Can we fix it? I mean, I'm not sure if it's the charging port. The charging port looks solid. I mean, what can be broken on this kind of port? As you can see, it's not broken. So why this is not charging? 1 second. Why this? Can we fix it on a Sunday? I mean, it's not okay to work Sunday. Well, it's supposed to be a day to relax. Just having a coffee together. Where is your dock? What is your brand and model of your power supply? Is La Volta. I got an error from the OBS. Was disconnected? Yo, everyone is still here? Okay, that's strange. Try USB-C. How you can try USB-C if you have a port? No, what do you mean? To charge? No. No, you have a normal port. What do you mean? The original charger. Yeah, this is the original charger. You know, not always the USB-C ports, they are charging. And you can have a surprise. Actually, You plug the charger on the USB-C, it's not charging and you believe it's faulty, but actually it's not supposed to charge. Lenovo use both sometimes. Yeah, but sometimes. I cannot risk to plug a charger on the USB-C and then ask myself if it's supposed to charge or not. It has one more screw, 1 second. This is a nice board, yeah? This is a nice board. Look, you have a ENE chip here. It's a nice one, and the charging port is here. Now, I'm just asking myself how this charging port can be faulty. Let's check with the multimeter. Yeah, 0 volts. We don't have voltage. Let's spill the coffee. No. But thank you for reminding me. Yeah, the charging port is gone. So yeah, they are right. The charging port is not working. Now, how we can fix this quickly? We don't have another port. No, we don't have it. No. We have to fix this one. You think it's some wire there? Let's have a look. Let's see. Microscope. Oh. So you see, inside is looking good. I mean, the port is looking fine. The wires looks fine. So, what can be the problem? What can be the problem? Well, this is solid. You have two grounds, and they are solid. I don't know about the plus wire. No, it's solder. Huh? Oh, lol. Okay. I take my words back. Check there. What is there? I think we found why this is not working. Huh? I mean, it looks pretty obvious. Pretty obvious. Easy fix? Easy money. Easy money. Yeah. Good. Now I need a tool, but I don't have it here. No, I don't have it. You know what is... Yeah, let's cut the wire. Yeah, let's do it like that. Perfect. And we have the second wire. But you see, it's still decent. I mean, they have 2 wires for plus, 2 for minus, just to carry more current. I mean, not to carry more current, just to, the input power line to have like a low resistance. I don't like this mat. I don't like this mat. Yeah, let me remove it 1 second. Okay, now it's better. Okay, now it's no better because I'm scratching my desk. Well, good. And we have one more wire. Perfect. Perfect. We have 2 wires. Yeah, broken wire, it's an easy fix for a Sunday. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah. Now let's solder the wires. Yeah, the microscope quality is better, right? It is better compared with before. And also I have additional light. Yeah, nice. It's getting hot. Oh, wait, I have a wireless solder iron. 1 second, 1 second. Uh, 1 second, we have wireless solder iron. Rosin is perfect. Yeah, that's Rosin. Solder wire. Perfect, perfect. A little bit of Rosin there. Perfect. Now let's solder that wire. Easy 30 pounds today. Perfect. Just a touch of hot glue and we are fine. Plug in the charger and check there. The current. Oh lol, okay, it's on 3 amps. Charging current 3 amps? Is that much? 3 amps for this battery. You know what? I don't think it's right. You think it's right? 3 amps charging current. Can be right. I don't know. Depends of the laptops. On the last period of time, they are doing some fast charging. Yeah, thermal cam. The coil is getting hot. You know, let's check. Let's check because this is weird. I mean, 3 amps. Okay, let's check the MOSFETs on the charging circuit. Yeah, those two. Let's see if they're shorted. So this one is good, and this one is good. No, are not shorted. Yeah, are not shorted. No, no, they are good. And this, one second, this is the comeback MOSFET. Yeah, the voltage is coming back from the battery to the circuit, and it's not shorted. No. Then I guess it's normal. I mean, the fault was quite clear. Yeah, it was a broken wire on the charging port. Okay, okay, Paul, you mean, I understand what you mean. But that's an easy way to check. So check here, yeah? To check if you have any problem with the charging circuit, yeah? Like, who knows? Somehow, you know, the voltage from the charger goes to the battery. You unplug the battery, you plug the charger, and if you have voltage on the battery connector, that means you have an issue with the charging circuit. Because the charging current is coming from the battery, yeah? The battery is speaking with the EC chip, the EC chip is speaking with the power management chip, with the BQ chip. So the plus is there, yeah? Ground plus, and we have like 0.1, you can see, 0.1. So the charging circuit is fine. It's not like pushing current without a precise charging current. The charging chip, it doesn't know the charging current. The I/O chip doesn't know the charging current. Only the battery knows the charging current. So I plug the charger, and on the same spot we have 12.2. .3 is the battery. What is the power rating for this laptop? That's a good thing. Let's see. No, it's no sticker. It's nothing. I mean, the sticker from the back of the laptop is gone. Nothing. But it is possible. You know what is possible? It's possible we are starting the laptop and the charging current, it will be the same. It is possible the charging current, it will be lowered. So pressing the power button, you can see the current is the same. You can see. So the power management chip is lowering the charging current and is keeping constant the total system current. So yeah, in this case, this charging current is for real. And you can see the charging sign here on the screen. So you see, whatever I do, the current is not going over 3 amps. Yeah. So the charging current is right. Quite smart. Quite smart. They push to the battery how much current they can. And if you start the system, you can even game. The current is not going over the 3 amps. Okay, a little bit of hot glue. Hot glue. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Good. SMP Repairs, good morning. Bogdan, it is possible to have 2 voltages at both ends of a cap? Yes, it is possible. That means your capacitor is not connected to ground. That means your capacitor is carrying over some AC or RF signal. Yeah, it is possible. Sally, yeah, you're right. You're right. The higher is the charging current, the lower is the battery life. The cycle count. The cycle count is lower. You're right. You're right. Because the people got mad happy. Oh, fast charging, fast charging. Yeah, but fast charging comes with a downside, yeah? Half of the time, half of the battery time. Half of the battery life. Yeah. Yeah, all fine. It's charging fine. I'm happy I fixed it. At least we made some money drinking the coffee. Adrian, it is possible a laptop to have no reaction when the BIOS is faulty. Depends what reaction means for you. Yeah, reaction is like pressing the power button and watching the power supply for a quick spike on current. If that's mean reaction, then no. Metal shield. What metal shield? This one? It's some kind of, I don't know, the thingy from cigarettes. Metal shield. Basically, we just made this laptop lighter. We should charge extra money. The Chris, another fix without buying a fake Chinese chip. You know what, like how I said last time, you remember the video where actually I bought 2 ISL chips from China and it actually was good? Maybe I believe it's some Russian roulette buying chips. Can be good, cannot be good. Hard to say. But the chipset was bad. The chipset was bad from the beginning. The CPU, I still have that CPU here, like it was bent all the way. You cannot even solder that CPU. And that's not a problem for that CPU to be bent. But actually, I had the people in the chat saying, no, sorry, that's normal. That's how it's supposed to. The CPU is bent, and when you solder it back, it is better than that the other way. I mean, it's insane. Metal shield for charging port cover. What metal shield? What do you mean metal shield? Was no metal shield. Was hinge, the hinge was coming over the charging port. Is this from the shop you work for? Yeah, it's from that shop. Yeah, those screws are not good. It is good. Carol, I understand what you mean, but you cannot sell. Listen, you cannot sell tested, tested component. Okay, you see tested, because that was what was saying with the chipset tested, and actually it's faulty. You cannot do something like that. That's a scam. You're selling something. You tell me you tested. Actually, you didn't. It is a scam. Yeah, all good, all good, all good, all good. Yeah. So we done some job today. Now I have time to play Diablo all day long. Everyone playing Diablo 4 Season 1? Or it's only me? I'm the only weirdo here playing Diablo? What class? Barbarian. Actually, I don't have an account. My wife has an account. Because the game was too expensive to buy like twice. And when she's not playing, I'm playing. And it's a Barbarian. It's a Hota build. Yeah. SA, thank you very much. Thank you for the member. Waiting for the Path of Exile 2. I'm waiting myself for that game. But they said it will be next year. I seen the trailer. It's mad. Never heard of it? What do you mean, Diablo? This is a well-known game. It's from years. Like you have Diablo 1, 2, 3, and now it's 4. I don't like the Season 1 at the moment. No, Joy, listen. Don't be like the other people. Don't be like you. I seen it's a lot of it's a lot of hate regarding the nerfs, yeah? But you have two hearts. You have two hearts. Yeah, I know, balance is terrible. I know. You want me to start the game now? I can start the game now and I can show you. You have two malign hearts. One, it's when you give damage, it's accumulated in damage, then explode into the mob, yeah? And the second heart is any damage you take, it will accumulate and then push back to the mob. Now with those two, I have only one heart, and I can do any boss. So you do damage, and at some point the boss is exploding. Insane, crazy. I know, I know what you mean, banana. I know the barb was sucking on the same way, but as soon as you put that heart, yeah, you have no. You can beat anything. You can beat any boss. They are doing the Lilith with that heart because you push the you have a time to push damage. You have like 2 to 4 seconds to push damage. On the Barbarian, I have like 2.1 seconds. So any damage on the 2.1 second, then it will just explode. Like I don't know, like 14 times more. It will bounce back. And any boss you can kill it like that. Aishar Sorcerer, you know, my wife, she plays Sorcerer on the release. It was sucking bad. I mean, she tried to play the Lightning Chain build because she didn't like the Ice Shard, and was sucking bad. She stopped playing at level 60, I believe, and she started playing Druid. And yeah, with Druid, she made it to level 100. What you can say about own microscope? Not sure which one. What happened to those antennas you had on the garden? The project died. You know, the helium project died. Oh my gosh, she's 100. Yeah, she has the druid level 100 and the barb level 79, 78. Played any other games? I don't really have time to play. I tried to play Lost Ark, but I stopped playing because it's not made for the mechanics on Lost Ark. It's not for like old people, yeah. And I stopped playing it. Like I can't do it. Then I play on some point. I play Metin 2. Metin 2 is nice to be played, but on the beginning of the server, because the game is heavily pay to win. So after a while, after like 1 year, it's no point playing. Then I played Apex Legend, but again, it's a muscle thingy. It's not for old people. No old school the RuneScape. No, I don't think I played that one. Your wife still has luck to break things? Lucas, actually my wife is fixing things. Yeah, but it just happened. Like everything related with the car, it happens only to her. Everything related with the car. I mean, if it's like a flat tire, always happen to her. If something wrong goes with the garage, yeah, it's her fault. But usually with the electronics, actually she's skilled on fixing things. Earth, that's not the way to go. Yeah? Tape, that's not the way to go. No, that's not the way to go with tape. The way to go is to use like earbud stick, yeah, just a little bit, because the people I seen people are putting a lot. You have just like how I did it on the video, just a little bit. It's no point being more there. It's no point. Put a little bit and check every month. Yeah, every month you open, you check, and reapply if you need. You know what I mean? But if you think to put tape, that means your plan is to put a lot of liquid metal. Okay, so I finished the coffee, guys. We've been here from like about an hour. I just want to wish to everyone to have a beautiful Sunday. And I suppose I'll see you next time. Huh? Yeah. See you next Sunday on having a coffee. But anyway, I will upload a video tomorrow with some fails. Yeah, I seen the people love fails video. So thank you for being here, and see you on the next one.